Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by readying quality silk cord and tools so you can knot cleanly. Thread a beading needle onto the silk. This lets you pass through small bead holes without fraying. Once done, lightly wax the thread to add grip and reduce fraying during repeated passes. Make sure to cut with 20–30% extra length to account for multiple knots and finishing. You'll already be avoiding mid-process stops by having scissors and a thread burner at hand to tidy ends when needed. Now you string beads and tie the essential knots that define strength and drape. You should pass the needle through each bead 2 to 3 times on focal areas to prevent rotation. This adds durability. As you tie overhand or surgeon's knots, snug them against the bead, but avoid crushing delicate materials. Once a knot is formed, use tweezers or a micro-positioner to seat it flush to the bead hole and apply a tiny dab of glue or wax to lock it. Keep motion steady to maintain even spacing. Finish by securing ends so the piece wears well. You can create a stitched loop, use a crimp bead, or apply a small drop of glue. Then trim 1–2 mm beyond the knot and burn lightly to stop fraying. Once you attach the clasp, tuck trimmed ends into a bead hole or cover with a bead cone for a neat look. If knots slip later, re-wet the silk, pull tight, add a tiny adhesive dot, or redo with a surgeon's knot. This fixes most slippage without rebuilding the whole strand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.